Today I will discuss on the topic matter. So let's start. Matter. What is matter? Anything which occupy space and has mass that are called matter. That means a matter occupy space and it has mass. Space means it has volume. For this it occupy the space and mass is present in it. So all those things which occupy space and has mass, that are called matter. Now come to the phases of matter. What are the phases of matter? Now at first, the phases of matter, in general we know there are three phases of the matter: solid, liquid, gas. These three are general or basic phases of the matter. Now two more phases are present. One is called plasma and the fifth is Bose-Einstein condensate, BEC. Okay, now let's start the discussion on the solid. You know what are the solid? In solid the molecules are very tightly packed to each other. Okay, yet they cannot move itself, so those matter are called solid. Now in liquid the molecules are loosely packed, then solid, and they can move itself. Okay, here in the solid the intermolecular force between two molecules is greater than the liquid. So as due to the strong intermolecular force they cannot move itself. But as the weak intermolecular force acts between two molecules in liquid, so they can move itself. In gas, the molecules are loosely bound to each other and they can move anywhere. Okay. Now, for the solid, as strong intermolecular forces act between two molecules, so it has fixed, that means definite shape and definite volume. For liquid, it does not have the fixed shape, but it has the definite volume. For gas, there is no definite shape and definite volume. Now, these three are the general phases of matter. Now, you come to the plasma. In general, this phase is not exist in our earth, but this phase is exist in the universe. What is plasma? Plasma is the combination of highly charged particle in which the kinetic energy of the molecules is too much high. Okay, so that's are called the plasma. BEC. What is BEC? The full form of BEC is Bose-Einstein condensate. Okay, so this phase is created by our scientist. When we make very low temperature, then we see that the molecules are comes nearly to their stopping condition. That means they cannot move, and here the kinetic energy means the movement of these molecules. The energy acquired by the molecules due to their motion is known as kinetic energy, and their kinetic energy tends to zero. Okay, so this condition is called Bose-Einstein condensate, and this phase we use in quantum physics. Okay, so this also was included in your syllabus. Now we have to learn about this in higher classes. Now you come to the next thing. Now, before going to the topic types of matter, we have to know about the atom and molecule. molecules. Okay, so what is atom? Atom is the building block of any material or matter or substance. Okay, that means they combine together to make the material. Now, what is the composition of atom? If we take one atom, then we get three particles. One is electron, another is proton, and the last is neutron. Proton and neutron combine together to form the nucleus, which is also called center of the atom. And the electrons revolve around the nucleus. So we get inside the atom, we get three particles. Okay, one is electron, another is proton, and the last is neutron. Electron has the negative charge, proton have the positive charge, and neutron is electrically neutral. Okay, so that are called atom. Now you come to the molecule. When two or more atoms are combined together, then they form molecule. So in a molecule there may be two atoms or three atoms will be present, so they form the molecules. Okay, now so atoms make molecules, and through this molecule we get the substance. Okay, so atoms make molecule and these molecules make the substance. So the basic thing is atom, which make the molecule, and through this molecule we get the substance. Now in this case, suppose atom is represented by O, the oxygen atom, atom of oxygen represented by O. Now the representation of one molecule of oxygen represented by O2. So here is the difference. Here only O is written, and here the molecule of oxygen, one molecule of oxygen represented by O2. So what is the difference? Here 2 is present. That means two atoms of oxygen combine together to form a molecule of oxygen. So you understood what is the difference? So atoms are combined together to form the molecule, and by the molecules we get the substance. Now we proceed and see what are the types of matter. Matter is basically divided in two types. One is called pure substance. By its name, it indicates that which type of matter is represented by this. Pure substance means no impurities is present here. We can divide this in two types. One is called element and another is called compound. So pure substance are those substances in which no other impurities is present, only the same kind of atoms or same kind of molecules will be present. Okay, when the same kind of atoms are present, then it is called element. Okay, so elements are those pure substances in which same kind of atoms are present. Now what are compound? When the same kind of molecules are present, then this substance is called pure substance. Okay, and that is called especially the compound. So compound is the pure substance in which same kind of molecules are present. Now maybe this molecule is the combination of same kind of atoms, or two or more atoms take part, such that if we take O2, then here two atoms of oxygen take part and they make this one molecule of oxygen. So we can say that is the same kind of atoms are present here. But that is the first condition. Second, if we take one molecule of water, then we can see here two atoms of hydrogen is present and one atom of oxygen is present. So different, that means two types of atoms take part, but it make one molecule of water. One molecule of water, which is the pure form of the substance, and it is called the compound. Now here the combination is fixed ratio. Here when the H, hydrogen and oxygen combine together and when they form the water, here the formation of water is fixed ratio. That means 2:1 is the ratio. Two atom of oxygen and one atom, two atom of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen is present here. If you take CO2, carbon dioxide, then you can see also C, number of C atom is 1 and oxygen atom is 2. So here also the ratio is 1:2. So compound are always formed in a fixed ratio. So it is the pure form of the substance, as only the same kind of molecules take part to form the compound. So it is also the form of pure substance. Now you come to the mixture, another type of matter. What are called mixture? Mixture are those substances in which more or two substances mix together in any ratio. In any ratio. And basically it is divided in two types: homogeneous and heterogeneous. So what are called homogeneous mixture? Homogeneous mixture are those mixture in which the composition of the mixture is same in all parts of the mixture. So if we take sugar solution, when we dissolve sugar into the water, then after few seconds we can get the same composition over the whole solution. So that is one type of uniform mixture. Now if we mix some chalk particle, dust particle into the water, then after some time we can see that they gather at the bottom of this container and water is placed here. So the composition is not same in each part of this mixture, so it is called heterogeneous mixture. So that are basically two types of mixture, and that is the difference between the pure substance and mixture. So up to this, today we learn about the phases of matter. At first what is matter, then phases of matter, then we know about the atoms, then molecules, then we know the types of matter, that is pure substance and mixture. Pure substance is divided in two types: element and compound. Element are the combined form of the atoms of same kind. Compounds are the combination form of the same kind of molecules. Okay, now you come to the mixture. Mixture is divided in two types: homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. Okay, that's all today. Now in my next class we will know about something more from this chapter, so you must subscribe my channel to get more videos from this chapter, okay, or for further physics chapter. Okay, so that's all. Okay, bye.